Meet Bob. Bob is busy working day and night to keep things running smoothly. That means he has to efficiently distribute activities among his employees, so Jack from the inventory can timely order parts for upcoming installations, technicians have work orders, and sales team can follow up on prospects. But Bob's over-reliance on traditional ways of doing things on spreadsheets and sticky notes has left him super exhausted. And at some point, he just can't handle the information overload that comes with stacks of paperwork. And here's Julie. Despite her efforts to get things organized, there are days when she is frustrated with scheduling, assigning jobs, sending messages back and forth, trying to get information while being out of the office, which complicate things even further. What if there was a solution to automate these activities? Whatever your business may be, you need a system that will make your everyday routine manageable, fast, and productive. Introducing Velox, the ideal workflow management app, right inside your pocket that's specifically designed to resolve problems most small businesses have been long troubled with. Velox brings you a unique experience for organizing and managing your business efficiently, anywhere, anytime. You can run your company from the office or on the go from any mobile device. Your daily activities are organized by today, overdue, in progress, upcoming, and following. As soon as a project lands, create a new activity, add description, assign task, set date and time, hit save, and a notification is generated right away. Capturing and tracking sales leads is streamlined and paperless. Velox lets you create customized forms, e-sign contracts, and store them on customers' profile. Whether you're scheduling, tracking employee time, servicing your clients, creating work orders or estimates, Velox is the better way to manage your business. Register your company and download Velox on your mobile today. For details on how to get work done, visit www.velox.com.